Today we will learn how to add gems in two curves. We will select the gems by two curves command in the Diamonds tab. We will select two curves. If the orientation of the gems is not the desired one, we will click on the flip option. The distance between the end gems needs to be corrected so that we can adjust the distance between gems to 0.15 millimeters. Another important detail is that it will start positioning the gems at the beginning of the curve. In this case, it does not look nice, so we will change the curve seam. In the Curve tab, select the Adjust Close Curve Seam command and move it to the right. We can do this as many times as we want. Accept the command, and we have the gems in the document.